Some builds are polished. This one has grit. Finished in Porsche Togo brown with bold signal orange stripes beneath a satin clear coat, this machine doesn't chase attention, it commands it. Purpose-built with classic styling, lifted stance and stripped back attitude, it captures the raw spirit of vintage off-road culture with modern reliability underneath. At its heart sits an LS1 V8 paired to a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering the kind of driver connection modern trucks forgot long ago. Every mile feels earned. A 2.5-inch lift, 33-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres, LED lighting and disc front brakes give this build the capability to match its aggressive stance, while the matte finish and blacked out details create a look that feels equally inspired by Baja race trucks and 1970s desert runners. Inside, simplicity rules. Camel marine grade vinyl with diamond stitching brings durability and craftsmanship together without losing the truck's utilitarian soul. Chrome factory details, stock style gauges, a painted steel dash, and a floor-mounted manual shifter remind you this build was designed for driving, not just displaying. Just analog character, V8 power, and a silhouette that still turns heads decades later. This is classic American freedom, built to get dirty, built to be driven, built to last.